3 up? Who got 3? That was a fast-ass 3 points, man, because I didn't see any of that shit. This nigga got 3 points already.
Let's go, Tiere. Bitch ass nigga. I don't fucking know. I don't get none of that. That's like, that's all I like about it.
3-0. No, Devin said he had 3. Was you lying, bro? I didn't see that. That's what I said.
I seen 1.
I said, bro, this nigga scored 3 points fast as shit. If you ain't know who's narrating, this is Rash Productions via my nigga Dre's phone, because my shit sucks. How long could this shit tape, yo? Well, I'm used to the T-Mobile flips that can only get 30 seconds. Niggas know how I be. Hell yeah, I'm surprised these niggas can bust their shit. What's up, bro? What'd you say?
One day, bro. I was putting up that shot. I was like, no.
Oh man, that was funny as hell.
I didn't even know. I don't even tell you.
I don't give a fuck. I'll tell that nigga right after the game. Nigga, we was in the stands and you airballed some shit. And we knew you were gonna airball it. Before you shot the ball, Doug screamed, "No!"
That was a good ass game.
That was a good ass game though.
Oh!
Something to say, bro? He said, "Ooh." I'm about to get back in shape, man. I'm bust Phil Ferg's fucking ass. Phil Ferg. He's good. Phil Ferg is definitely way more talented, but that nigga's out of his fucking mind. Nah, bro, because this nigga said, he was talking about us. He said, Doug, Devin. Well, this is what Mark says. Who knows how much of it's true, but Mark don't lie, nigga. He said, Ferg was like, he said y'all ain't fucking with him. I'm like, bro, I ain't gonna stunt. Last year, he definitely took like 40 off me. Because I lost like 4 times in a row. But nigga, when I played him, he never kicked my ass. I was always up. And then he just went into some north side, I'm fucking crazy NFL type shit. Yeah, yow, and this nigga just start hitting shit. I'm like, oh, what the fuck is going on? I'm not with none of that, bro. I'm gonna just have to bully this nigga. Strength over talent. Usually, strength always loses. But I ain't with that. Yo, there's way too many slippery rocks, bro. What's the score now, yeah? Uh-oh, Devin's starting to sweat. It's a boom, 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 boom.
Nigga was like,
Anything to say? Hell no, you're fat as hell. I can't start on my nigga Devin, dog. He beat my ass the other day. Damn! Air balls for my nigga Big Fat.
big cat. How many hoops you had? Huh?
This nigga Devin shooting tired, B. Oh yeah, cook. My nigga got pure breezed on. What's the score, you guys? What's the score, bitch? Niggas love to ignore me. Can't blame them, though. Oh. This is going on World Star, bro. So y'all better shit. Did you hit that, bro? No response. I must be a fuck nigga. Oh! What's the score, my nigga? 8-5 who? 8-5 Devin, he didn't want to say it. Ha! Devin says it's 9-5, Ty says it's 8. We'll review this after the game. Good hit, bro. Daddy gotta get that cash. Oh, oh, oh. My nigga Angry D Glaze. Man, Devin can shoot, man. He's just ugly as fuck. Always. This nigga D Glaze, bro. Anything to say, bro?
I'm tired as fuck.
Run that shit back, dog.
How you stop this shit? Just press it again?
Yeah.
Alright.